So a couple weeks ago, we jumped on Facebook Marketplace, and me and my son went and picked this up. I don't know if we made a good decision or not. It came with two motors. One of them says it was brand new. He says this one's a Predator. I don't think it is. I think he put Predator panels on it because he was big into mini bike. It did also come with this behemoth. The guy told me it was brand new. It had some sort of clutch on it at one time. I think it might be used and abused. He said it came with the Predator motor, but I don't think it is because the sticker on the starter, that's an Amazon one. And the Predator comes with the sticker on it like that. So I really don't know what that thing is. I'm going to try to identify it. Let's get this thing backed up into the shop and see what we actually have. Is it actually recording? Oh yeah, I see the little red light. You're actually recording. Definitely does need tires. What the? There's no valve stem in there. Alright, let's try a valve stem and see if it holds air. The valve stem's not leaking, but oh, the sidewall is. Well, let's get it off the trailer while it has air in it. Running and driving, huh? This might get a little sketchy. Before I tear into this thing, I do know that it needs a throttle cable and the motor needs to be moved because the guy that threw it together when I bought it just threw a whole bunch of hodgepodge parts and let it rip, and I was the sucker to buy it. I do want to make sure that the brakes work. Somehow a simple throttle cable install turned into a complete engine remount. This chain right here, it's way too loose. The guy just threw it on here and it was held on by two bolts. Should have looked at this a little better. So let's get this engine lined back up and we're gonna make some new holes in it, because still we're gonna probably put that big block in this thing. More power, more fun, all for a throttle cable. Only an hour and a half later doing this motor, oops, I forgot to tighten it. Now that we got this engine nice and tight in there and the chain is actually correct, let's jump on the actual throttle cable thing. That's what we were supposed to be doing, not reinstalling the motor. Marketplace strikes again. Went to put the throttle cable on and noticed something very important is missing. Well, all the linkage for the carburetor that controls the throttle, gone. The guy pulled a fast one on me, guys. So we're gonna do a little hillbilly engineering just so I can go rip this in the yard. All right. Found some rods from another carburetor and we're gonna do a little bend in it and we're gonna, yeah. I don't even know if the governor and stuff is still in this. We'll find out. All right, kids, we got throttle again. Take a peek. Look at that. That's not correct, but that's what we're doing today. Look at that throttle return spring. For only needing a throttle cable, this thing needed a lot more than that. I just had to rebuild the brake mechanism because this little arm down here for the brakes wouldn't even work. And this is all to just go around in the yard because I am going to put that big motor in it and de-junk some stuff. There's a lot of rickety stuff on here. Not only did it not have a valve stem in it, the bead won't hold. I mean, they are kind of garbage tires. This ought to be pretty entertaining trying to get these wheels to de-bead. I probably ought to check the other lug nuts. This ain't tight. They were just like finger tight on there. Well, that was pretty uneventful. I just stood on it and it came apart. But this is nasty. There's something inside this tire and it stinks. You guys want to see? It's gross. Look at that. It stinks. All right, now we're gonna do some hillbilly stuff. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it might. I'm gonna load this thing up with some silicone. We're gonna let it rip. Let's see. Ugh. Do you think that's enough, or do I need to put some more? I'd have to say that's quite a bit. I didn't mean to do that. But I found that someone changed this tire or was putting it on and they boogered up the bead. So this may or may not work. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this, because this might work, it might not. In my head it worked. You know, sealing up a crack. Okay, it started. I'm gonna put a rag over this because when it pops, it's gonna shoot that stuff everywhere. And I don't want it in my face. That compressor ain't cutting it. Let's get the big one. Ooh, it's spooging. Oh man, another one? Well, let's just load this whole thing up. It's gonna look weird. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is making such a mess. I'm just doing the whole rim. This might be one of the dumbest things I've ever done. But hey, it's all for fun, right? This is for sure gonna make a mess. Ooh, it's filling up. Did it already pop? I think so. Let's put the valve stem in it now. Then we'll finish airing her out. It didn't even pow or anything. It just said whoop. Oh, nice and lubed up. Are you guys ready to see what this looks like? Ooh. Oh, oh, oh. No, I would call that a silicone seal. Oh, I got this all over my hands. I should have wore some gloves. I got this stuff everywhere. The only reason I'm doing this is because I want to ride this like today. I will put a new set of tires on it. I don't hear any leaks, but that doesn't mean it's not leaking. Only time will tell. Check out our new white walls. After yesterday, I wanted to let this sit and we put some air in it, and I was like, all right, it's not leaking. The other side leaks too, so I'm not gonna waste any more time on it. I'm just gonna buy some new tires. I just wanted to get this thing going. I know it's gonna need a lot of work, and this may be a series because I really think this Amazon 212 is going to be way underpowered, and the front A-arms looks like someone, I don't even know what they were thinking. One is different than the other. So we're probably gonna be making our own A-arms too. The belt on the torque converter, it's seen better days. I ordered some and they'll be here this afternoon, but I'm gonna go rip this thing. So let's put this thing up on the jack stands and see if the fixes I did yesterday, see if they even work. I don't need it shooting across the yard if it even moves. Hey, it runs. That looks sketchy. See if the brakes work. That's the important part, being able to stop. Oh, that thing looks like a turd. Let's see if we can drive this around. Oh my gosh. This thing's a ripper. Whoa. That's wide open. Yeah, this thing sucks.
Lower the turtle.
Alright, we're gonna line these two up. Are you ready to race?
Yeah.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
I could beat you.
On 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, that was... Yep. Well, it's not complete disappointment. It actually moves under its own power. What should we do to it next? This cart totally has potential. I mean, it's pretty cool. We can make it better. Are you guys ready to go along for the ride with me? I'm gonna build this thing out. I might have to put a 5-point harness in it. I gotta be able to keep up with my kid on the one that I just built him right there. Check out that video. I think this sweetheart has potential. Leave me a comment. What are your guys' thoughts? I think something big motor, big A-arms in the front, different shocks, different swing arm. This is just a kickoff of this project. So if you liked it or want to see where this thing's gonna go, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with it. Hey, thanks for watching.